So it's Vlogmas day 15 and I'm headed to the DMV now. Wish me luck because I do not like sitting still. I physically cannot do it. And if I don't leave with everything being done, I might lose my mind. Just maybe. I've been trying to do this for like 7 months at this point. But, you know, what fun would it be if it just got done, you know, in the 3 to 5 weeks that they said it would take. So yeah, gonna head there now and we'll see how I'm there. I am finally free out of that hell. It actually went through pretty easily, which I did not expect, but now I get to go home and start working on my to-do list because I have a lot of stuff I want to get done today. So I'm doing a quick run out to the grocery store. I look like garbage because I need to pick up spices that I ordered at Target. Then one of the spices they didn't have, so I don't know if I'm gonna go to Walmart. Like that's like really like a last choice for me personally because I don't like it there. The lines are long and I only need literally one thing. So yeah, I might stop at Kroger first. And you know what? If I can find these spices for a similar price that I paid at Target, I'm just gonna get there because I think we're gonna go to Ulta tonight. I just gonna try to talk Kyle into it, and that's right next to Target. Like I don't feel like going. I was there yesterday. So yeah, we're gonna do a quick little run out. I just have my hair up and back because I washed my face, and yeah, nothing exciting yet, but I want to make cookies tonight. That's why we need spices. I have acquired the goods. Did not have to go to Target, which is great. Got myself a little drinky drink because I want to enjoy it while I take my bath later because I've been wanting to do this for like 3 weeks at this point and it just has not happened yet. So we're gonna make it happen today. Yeah, I parked down here. So yeah, cookies and bath time sounds good to me. So right now I'm making the dough for the molasses cookies. This one's turned out pretty good if I do say so myself. I think there could be some improvements, but I don't know what exactly. But yeah, I'm just making that here, and then at the end I'm just gonna put tinfoil on it and refrigerate it for an hour so it's easier to work with. Then right after I finished up the molasses batter, I started making the gingerbread people. And I'll link the recipe down at the bottom because it's not traditional gingerbread. This one uses like butterscotch pudding, and I don't know, I've never actually had real gingerbread, I don't think. This is just the kind of gingerbread people I grew up with. Hey guys, so I obviously washed my hair. I took my bath, which was really nice. I used like the Snow Fairy bath bomb from Lush because like I bought it like around Halloween time because whenever I went in it was there and I was like, okay, we're gonna try it. Oof, that smells so good, but like the lighting in there just was not agreeing with my camera and it just did not look nice, so that's unfortunate. But right now I'm preheating the oven to make the molasses cookies. Then the gingerbread I need a rolling pin for, so I'm waiting for Kyle to come home. Then I think we're gonna do that. I told him I want my wrapping paper, and I think we're gonna go to Ulta. And we'll see if I do any damage there. I don't know. I still wanna do like some face masks, but I don't know, cookies was like really high on my to-do list. I need to put away some dishes. I have like loads of laundry to go fold. I could probably run another load. But yeah, it's been like a lot of catch up on just little apartment things. And yeah, I'll see you guys shortly, probably whenever I'm actually getting the cookies ready to go on the baking sheet, because it takes like forever for our oven to preheat, and it's kind of annoying, but it is what it is, so yeah. So I just finished making those cookies, put them on the sheet. I'm really excited to try one, but I went for Kyle to come home because he should be home like any minute. Just been catching up on Vlogmases because I'm like really far behind. So yeah, doing that, playing Jenga by myself because I bought it, so I'm gonna enjoy it. And yeah, we'll see where the night takes us. Kyle's home, so I can try a cookie now.
I already have one.
Yeah, how is it?
It's good.
That is pretty good. Now we gotta see how the gingerbread ones turn out later. We have left Ulta and Five Below, and now we are headed to Target. I hate these glasses on camera, just so we're all clear. So we just got out of Target. Finally got my dad a present, so I'm basically done. I just need like 2 things, I think, and it's all done. I picked out wrapping paper and everything, so that's super exciting because I don't have to worry about it anymore. So I could not find a rolling pin, so we used a water bottle, and turns out the little Christmas cookie cutters that I had did not have gingerbread men, so we're doing little gingerbread reindeer and just rolling all those out and just cutting them out, and they turned out looking really cute, and I cannot wait to decorate them. We're gonna do that tomorrow, I think, or the day after. Depends on how tired Kyle is whenever I get home from work.